Every time I go to Walmart, I see these gardens in a bag. So I've decided, I bought one, I decided to give it a try. I have a shady spot in the garden that needs some love. It needs some plants. This is a little bit of a before shot of what that area looks like. Um, 3 crepe myrtles, completely overgrown, covered in vines. I tried cleaning up as much as I could out of them from the bottom, but the that one's okay. These two were covered, completely covered in grapevine that we tried pulling out, pulling off of it, but it just completely choked the trees. So we cut those out. We completely removed them and we left just the one. And I think this area looks a lot better now that those 2 dead trees have been trimmed. I added, this is called a vanilla strawberry hydrangea that is supposed to get about 5 to 8 feet tall and I think 5 feet wide. So it's going to fill this whole area up. And it gets this beautiful pinnacle pink and white blooms on it. So I think that's going to look awesome there. So I'm going to start planting up this area. Like I said, it's I got the shade perennial box. It comes with 1 Hosta, 2 Astilbes, pink Astilbes, and 7 lilies of the valley. I don't need to add compost or anything. As we were digging, we found a bunch of worms. So I think the soil is pretty healthy. And the perennials should be happy here, I think. Give an update in a few weeks of this area just so you guys can see how it's coming along and if all the plants sprouted. So hopefully that's looking good. It should be mulched by then. I'm gonna try to do that in the next few days so just it looks nice and clean and tidy.